Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. Select your data, move to Data tab, click on this icon, remove duplicates. All the three columns that we have is ticket. We have 3 duplicates as value and 10 values remain. Okay, all the duplicate values are removed. If you note that we have 2 Sarah here in the table, both are remained because their birthdays are different. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.